I'm in Lone Hill, Santon, and there are thugs that came into the house. FYI, I have paid rent. Can you get cops? Can you get help?
What's this do?
Don't lie. Abanikazi bomzi. This woman is hijacking. Guys, so I rented a house from a woman who's hijacked this building. I didn't know. She said to me it was her house. And now, because she's hijacking the building, she's gotten thugs to come take out my furniture. So I'm appealing to the justice system of South Africa to come and make this right. This woman hijacked and made me pay rent up front. Basically, she was hijacking me. She robbed me of my money. Basically, she robbed me of my money. And this guy's about to hurt me with the gate. You are squashing me. You are squashing. And now they're locking my kids inside. They are locking my children in this house.
Okay, picture.
And I've been calling cops and stop pushing me. Stop pushing me. Nshaye. Do it. And we've been calling cops to no avail. Sorry. My children are in there. This lady hijacked this building. I don't know, she told me it was her house. And I paid rent up front, and now she's lying and saying it's her house and locking my kids inside while I'm outside, and she's throwing my stuff out. Now they've locked me out of this house while some of my stuff is in there, including my children. I just want my children. I want my kids. Don't fucking touch me, son of a bitch. This is my brother trying to get my kids out of... Can someone say a flying squad or something? Can someone send a flying squad or something? My kids are in there. My children are in there. Terry, move. Get my kids out of there. In there. My children are in there. My children are in there with thugs. What do you mean, Angalu? My kids are in there. I'm a pointer. What happens to my children? Jaya, wait. So what happens to my kids while I wait for police? Unini wafonela ma police. Unini wafonela ma police lao. Guys, who claims to be a holier than thou Christian woman. Since I needed a place to rent. And then only to find out she's hijacking the property. She is a thug. Or I'm a real estate agent or one properties. So I fell for a scam from to real estate agent. And now the owners, like, oh, guys. And the funny thing is, the owners in Nazi owners were like, call the cops. And my kids are in there. Can you guys, I don't know, send a flying squad or what? Because I can't gain entry and my children are in this building.
You can talk English. Fuck your bitch.
Guys, inyani is that I paid the rent up front. And this lady, only to find out ayondlu yakhe. And ke ngoku nalo mnikazi wendlu usenthatha njenge-accomplice to hijacking indlu yakhe. Of which I didn't know, but this is not Vuyiseka's house. This is not Vuyiseka's house. And now my children are in there. I don't know with low lives. Bavaleleka ngaphakathi. So can someone, Alone Hill, I know it's a police station up. I've been trying to call them, they are not coming. Abantwana bam are in there. That's what I'm worried about. My kids. Apha amaphoyisa angithi bathi no uVuyiseka I don't know relations namaphoyisa they are not going to come after Alone Hill. I've been like they don't come. I've been calling them. These people have been harassing us since last night. And then abandon bam inside, what happens to them? They are with low lives. Guys, I'm gonna have to go off the live because the real owner is calling me. So now I wait for the police, guys. I guess I'm not choice. And I come home to this. My children are crying inside. And police I guess it's the justice system for you in South Africa. No, I'm not going to go close to the wire. Welcome to South Africa, guys. And this is a woman doing this, and she claims to love children. She claims to be all about children empowerment and so forth, and youth empowerment. I guess this is how she's empowering my children. After Tate Maliam, she owes me money, and she refuses to give me back my money. The stars now have moved away. I wish the owner could come online. I'm actually going to ask her to come. I want the owner to come as a commenter. I'm going to actually, let me share the link of the status. The real owner, Ukon, we are Pila, they're very much alive. Building yabo. How do I share live while on a live? Dr. Nyasulu, if you're watching this, please come and comment here because people think I'm the one that's lying instead of Vuyiseka. This lady, she's uqhelile ukuscam abantu eGauteng. Uqhelile ukuscam abantu eGauteng uVuyiseka. Kuthi amapolisa ayeza chomam. That's my point. Kuthi amapolisa ayeza kube kunini ndiwafonela. Kukela maphara akhela ba.
Ithi owner athi amapolisa wakwazi babavule icase bona mayivulwe ngumuntu olapha. Ndithi kuba they
are owner. They are breaking. That's what they've been saying. That's why I'm saying the justice system of this country is madness. Njani uba kuthi mayivulwe.
Basikhuphe njani izinto?
Basikhuphe afikile lamaphara ngene.
Bapha abantwana.
That's what I'm worried about my kids. Bangaphakathi abantwana. It's like there's a bunch of men and my kids in there. Guys, she is a scammer hiding behind a collar. And she's all about empowering women and children. By empowering women and children is scamming people. khangelani uvuyiseka mpeqeka kufacebook le rubbish le yathi mandizorenta apha ndambhatala irent upfront kanti uya-evictwa umnqundu wakhe ube-evictwa since 2023 ndiza mna ndicinga uba yindlu yakhe kanti uyaxoka siyondlu yakhe. And then I found out abanikazi balo mzi baripota ku-Hello Peter ndazobhaqa uba no uhijack indlu yabantu. And then I was like, I'm not going to be a part of that scam. Saxabana apho ke novuyiseka njembe senda likaka yenzayo. Nansi imoto yakhe. If ndiyaxoka put guys, iwari am right now ngabantwana bam and the police are just not coming. And then there's a bunch of Zulu men in this yard with my kids. Ndibuye ecaweni guys, and then I get home to this.
Hey guys, I hope you're all doing well. I'm fine over here. Welcome to SNS Bandase. Apho sibhizi izindaba zabantu ke sana ulapha nje nawe uyazithanda but sana yu ukhwinandi umfundisi guys, I don't know what to say. I feel for umyeni, I feel for aba bantwana. Yo, guys, what do you think about this? Thank you to Los Patelele Juice ku TikTok. Guys, the speechless sana izithuko ezingaka. Guys, nizaniphathela upart 2 sendibone upart 2 wayo, nizaniphathela upart 2 wayo ukuba kanye what is the nyani here, because nam bendisithethelela ndiqona yho hayibo sisi arenda kuye uthintini kwangathintini. Brother wakhe nangephethe ime-phasa hayi nkosi yam, I don't know what to do, I don't know what to say, I don't know how to feel, but I feel for those kids sana. Unando njani guys? Ubhizi si-TV show noba funeka ayoshutela koomasentini. What about abantwana aba bakhe bancinci, ufuna babuyele njani? But it's fine because I know you niza ndirhwamsa. Nkosi yam. Kukho nesana apha iyuku elisaphethweyo ngulo sisi unxibe but okay, it's fine guys. Let's meet on the comment section. What do you guys think about this? Do you believe uNandi bayikhuphile le mali kwanye do you believe ngale ndlela atsho ngayo uNandi? And what's your take on this as umzali?